Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to look at question 23 of Paper 1 SPM at Maths 2017. So let's take a look at the question together. Alright, a set of data consists of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each number in the set is multiplied by m and added by n, where m and n are integers. It is given that the new mean is 17 and the new standard deviation is 4.242. So find the value of m and of n. Alright, so before you start, you have to find out what is the original mean and the original standard deviation before you can proceed. So we have the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Okay, so let's start by finding these values first. Okay, the sum of x and the sum of x squared. So here we have 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared. We will get that this is 20 and this is 90. From here, we can continue to find the mean and the standard deviation. So for the mean, it will be 20 over 5. Because there are 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, the mean you get is 4. Now, how about the standard deviation? The standard deviation is the square root of the sum of the numbers squared divided by the number of data minus the mean squared. So from here, you get that the answer is 90 over 5 minus 4 squared, and we actually get that the answer is square root 2. So from here, we do not want to leave it in decimal places yet because it's still in the middle. So we haven't finished the working, so it's best to keep it in the most accurate form as possible. Then from here, let's take a look. So we have two important values here. We have the mean and we have the standard deviation. So these are the original mean and standard deviation. So they did say earlier that each number in the set is multiplied by m and added by n. Okay? So it's multiplied by m, added by n, each number in the set. Now, for mean and standard deviation, they are affected differently by both of these conditions. So for the mean, they are affected by both, by the multiplication and the addition. So how it works is that if this is your original mean, how you actually find new mean is you directly multiply by n, and then you actually add n. You get your new mean. Okay, so this is the first part. So this is your first equation. Now, for the standard deviation, however, it is not affected by the addition and the subtraction operations. So for the plus n, there is no influence. There is no influence on this one. However, the multiplication, it does affect. So what happens is that your standard deviation, square root 2, actually has to multiply by m in order to get the value 4.242. Alright, so from here, since there's only one unknown here, we can actually find what the value of m is. So m is equal to 4.242 divided by square root 2. So from here, you actually get that the value is 2.9995, but for the purpose of this question, you're actually allowed to approximate. So you can actually approximate it and put it as 3 instead. Because here, they say that m and n are integers. So when they say integers, it is whole numbers that can include positive and negative values. So we should round off to 3. So with this, we can use this value and attempt to solve equation 1. So now it will be 4 times 3 plus n equals to 17. And the value of n will be 5. So you actually have your two values now. So m is equal to 3, n is equal to 5. So with that, you have your answer. M is equal to 3, n is equal to 5. So there you have it. That is your answer. Thank you for watching.